I just wanted to come on here and say, everybody trim your fruit trees after they fruit. Probably heard it before, people talk about it a lot. I learned the hard way, you definitely gotta prune your fruit trees after they fruit. So this is my jackfruit trees. And last year I waited a while to cut them back. They really needed to be cut back. In that year, last year, the season, I got like 20 or 30 jackfruits. This year, because I cut it back so late, one and only jackfruit. After I cut them, they usually leak some latex, so I just leave them under the tree. Leave them under the tree so that they leak out all the latex. And then maybe do something like that so that it leaks out. You can see it. Oh yeah. Hey, let that leak out. And we'll cut this up. I'll show you how to cut it up and how to cook the seeds and use it to eat the fruit. Yeah.